A nighttime skincare routine is really important because no matter how much makeup you use in the daytime, at night your skin needs the time to heal, and the product that will actually help it in rebooting and replenish. So today I have this new product from Pilgrim. It is their new range. I think it's called Secrets of Seville from Spain, and it is their Squalane Glow Sleeping Mask, which has alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid. This particular product is priced at rupees 550 rupees, and you get 50 gram of product. So first of all, if you look at the packaging, it is really nice. You get that fancy vibe, really sturdy and beautiful. It's really compact. Once you get it in your hand, you will understand. You also get that cute wooden spatula, which is really nice because every time you put your finger in your products, skincare products, there could be some germs which get into that. So using an item like that would help in keeping your skincare product clean. So if you look at the product itself, it has this really shiny cloud like texture. It is really smooth and silky, and the ingredients that it has are hyaluronic acid and arbutin, squalane, niacinamide, purified water, and also some many other things which I am not going to bore you with. But these products help you lock the moisture, and as you can see, once I applied it, my skin already looks so much glowy and it feels so hydrating. It does not feel greasy at all. It is really comforting, and in the night time also, the summer has come. I do not want my skin to be feel greasy or oily throughout the day. So at night, a product like this is really helpful. It helps in brightening the skin, also clarifies the skin and smoothens. I have been using it for the past week, and I have seen the difference. I really am liking it. I also feel like my skin is a lot brighter. I really hope you guys also give this a try. I will put the link to this product in my description box below. Also, if you want a 15% off, then use my coupon code PGFS15. I have put it in the description box. Also, the link is also there. So please do check it out and let me know what you think about it.